our banana wine is ready. Wow, I just love the flavor. This is very nice. Wow, very nice. Now the dance. Hi guys, hello, happy new year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you come across my channel for the first time, my name is Treasure. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to make banana wine. So this is my ripe banana. Use ripe banana to prepare banana wine. So this is my banana. So now I'm going to wash my banana. To peel the banana. So I'll pieces it like this. So when you piece it like this, you transfer it to a clean bowl like this. My drinking water is a clean water. I will open it and then put in the banana. I will cover it and leave it for 3 days before I filter it. I'll leave it to ferment for 3 days before I filter it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is the 3rd day of soaking the banana, and look at it, it has fermented. So our wine is ready, our banana wine is ready. So I'm going to use my cheesecloth to filter it. Banana wine is ready. Wow, I just love the flavor. Wow. very nice. Wow, very nice. I like it. Wow. So this is how to prepare banana wine. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. What to See as my baby finish. See the way my baby finish banana wine. Oh my goodness. Wow. Mama, you like it? You like it? Try. Oh, see my baby.